Hello friends, Sanjeev here. We have come up with Q4 earnings review of power sector. Largely sales were in line with our expectations except in CESC where it beats our expectation because of the higher tariff revision which was being approved than what we had estimated. Because of that, CESC reported a much better number than what we had estimated on top line as well as on the bottom line side. But at the same time, Kalpataru Power Transmission in our another coverage company reported a lower number than what we had estimated in top line because of the slower execution of its projects. But at the same time, it's maintained its margin of around 10% that in line with our estimates. Overall earnings remain a flattish, so PAT for the universe remained broadly in line with what we had estimated. In case of CESC, as I said, that because of the higher than expected adjustment of the tariff, it also benefited to the bottom line. Overall sector outlook for the sector remain in a phase where government is putting efforts to bring things in the line, where we believe that structural issues are getting fixed at this point of time, like SCB related issues are more or less being given a shape to it. Now execution is remaining. At the same time, fuel issues and fuel linkage issues are either next priority for the government, ahead of government. At the same time, one of the regulatory development that has happened, which is very positive, that CERC given a indicative, positive direction towards the UMPP and projects which are project based on imported coal, like that of Adani and Tata Power, where they have given a compensatory tariff to these companies. However, the final how it will be shaped up, it has yet to come out with a new panel that is going to be set up. In our coverage companies, CESC, we believe the silver lining is getting prominent. When we initiated this talk, we had a belief that the loss making from its retail business, which used to be one of its drag for the company's valuation, is likely to come down with the conscious effort of the management. This year we have seen it very prominently because the PBIT level loss from retail business of CESC has come down from 220 crore in 2012 to 80 crore in 2013. Management expects to come to a profit figure or probably at a break-even level in 2015. We continue to be positive in the stock. With these positive developments, we have revised our target price from to 385 and continue to maintain a holdout rating on this. On Kalpataru Power, though there are concerns over its JMC project, which is having very low margin at this point of time. At the same time, the company is having significant part of its capital deployed in projects which are not generating any returns at this point of time, especially the BOT projects. So management is putting now efforts to improve the ROCE by improving margin gradually in JMC project and BOT projects and other projects where cash are deployed, capital is deployed. They need to be improved so that the returns should be improving. Management expect that returns should improve from current level to 11% in the next year and around 12% in 15. So we retain by especially looking at the low valuation of the stock.